Alright, welcome back young scholars and artists. Today we're going to talk about day number 2 and what we're going to do with our piece. Now one thing we didn't cover last time, but you will do on the first day, is installing this side panel. You're going to have a piece of gray paper. It's going to be narrow and you're going to put it on both sides of your robot. And what that's going to do is it's just going to make it a little bit more interesting, create a border, and add a little pizzazz to your project. Now let's talk about decorating our side panels first. On the second day, we don't want to have as much wet material because we don't want you taking home a wet, messy project. But we're going to do some stamping using some tempera paint. You're going to take little knickknacks and doodads like these sponges here, and you're just going to create some patterns on the side. So you're going to just dip it in there and stamp out some patterns. And as you can see, it doesn't take much paint, so it dries really quickly. The next thing we want to do is outline all of our important lines with the Sharpie marker. And this will create very bold, nice lines for our project. As you can see, I did half with the marker and half without. I wanted you to see the difference that this finishing step makes when you use a thicker, bolder line. Now the reason we did the watercolor on the first day is so that you can see, you can draw on top of it with all kinds of materials. You can use markers. You could also use crayons. So you can come in here and use some different colors and use the crayons right on top of the places where you use the watercolor. And now that it's dried up, it's no problem to draw on top of it. So there's some marker, or there's some crayon. Now if you should finish filling in the robot with all kinds of colors and designs and patterns, feel free to draw some things around the outside of the robot as well. Use your time to make some incredible artwork and really enjoy your engineering design of a robot. Thank you, young scholars, and have fun making art.